Welcome to the weather broadcast for today, Monday, the 19th of August 2024. From our studios in Jimit, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. Let's begin by taking a look at what's going on in the Atlantic. We will monitoring this tropical wave here, which acts as since past the Les Antilles, and this resulted in some cloudiness and some scattered showers mainly across the islands to the south of Dominica. And also we are monitoring out in the Atlantic this tropical wave, which is located some 1,200 miles to the east of the Les Antilles, expected to approach the area sometime by late Thursday into Friday. And also this area here, which is an area of low pressure out in the far eastern tropical Atlantic. However, I can tell you that tropical cyclone formation is not expected in the Atlantic for the next 7 days. Now, taking a look at the satellite imagery, this area of showers and thunderstorm activity associated with that tropical which I spoke about earlier, moving from east to west, expected to approach the area sometime late Thursday into Friday. And the second area of convection associated with that low pressure system, which we are presently monitoring. Taking a closer look, a few patches of low-level clouds which moved across Dominica today, and this resulted in fair to occasionally cloudy skies. However, most of the significant cloudiness can be observed mainly across the extreme southern portion of the island chain. Now, taking a look at the moisture associated with that tropical wave, here we can see a significant amount of moisture associated with that tropical wave, which is expected to approach the area sometime late Thursday into Friday. And as we can see, closer to home, you can see a gradual drying out of the atmosphere as that moisture associated with that tropical wave continues to move away from the Lesser Antilles. And also over here, you can see an area of moisture which is associated with that low pressure system, which I mentioned earlier. Now, radar imagery indicates a few isolated showers which moved across Dominica today. However, most of the significant showers can be seen mainly across the extreme southern portion of the island chain. Now, taking a look at the Saharan dust, a significant amount of Saharan dust can be seen in the area of the Les Antilles. As a result, we are advising people with respiratory sensitivities to exercise caution to avoid complication. And this here shows the area of that tropical wave, which is some 1,000 miles away from the Les Antilles. Tonight's weather is expected to be fair to occasionally cloudy and hazy with a few isolated showers with winds coming from the east at about 30 kilometers per hour. And tomorrow, partly cloudy to cloudy skies and hazy conditions with a few scattered showers can be expected with winds coming from the northeast at about 25 kilometers per hour. Sea conditions are expected to be slight to moderate with waves peaking up to 1.5 meters or up to 5 feet. High tide will be at 3:41 a.m. and 4:17 p.m. and low tide will be at 10:08 a.m. and 9:53 p.m. Again tomorrow, partly cloudy skies and hazy conditions, and these conditions can be expected to continue into Thursday. However, by Thursday afternoon, there's the possibility of some isolated thunderstorms due to the approach of that tropical wave. Also, we expect to see an increase in wind speeds as we come into Thursday, with winds picking up to 30 kilometers per hour. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:51 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:26 p.m. Please remember that we are in the hurricane season. Stay informed and be prepared. See you again on Wednesday for another weather broadcast. Stay safe.